Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Maya account to Google Wallet. So let's get started. Now first, you want to make sure you have both the Maya app and Google Wallet installed on your phone and that your Maya account is fully verified. This is important because linking won't work if your account isn't verified. Now, go ahead and open the Google Wallet app. Then you want to tap on Add Payment Card at the top. From here, you're going to have to select the option to add a new credit or debit card. Now on this page, this is where you actually have to enter your Maya card details. You can either type in the card manually or scan it using your camera. After that, Google will ask you to verify the card, and this usually happens through a one-time password or verification inside the Maya app. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once verified, your Maya card will be successfully added to the Google Wallet. And that's it. Linking Maya to Google Wallet is quick, easy, and makes paying a lot more convenient if you know where to go. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!